All right. Hello, guys. I made a video yesterday and I don't think everyone was able to see the screen as it was recording. I'm hoping you can see this. Okay. So, um, for today, Tuesday, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Friday of this week, you have the following things to do: log into your MNPS account, change your password. It's going to ask you to do your password change. Remember, here's your MNPS information. Mine would be capital J. It's not, but if I were a student, it'd be first name with a capital letter, last initial capital letter, last 5 digits of your 190 number. So this would be your username. This would be your email address with the at MNPSK12. Okay. Your password to start today or start with is your initials, capital. So mine is James Parsons. So J, capital, little p. Then it's 6 digits for your birthday. I'm June 1st, 1968. So it'd be 060168. That's your password. For the first time you're logging in this year, when you put that password in for MNPS, okay, then it's going to ask you to change your password. All right. Change your password to either your typing web password or your 190 password and write it down somewhere so you do not forget. Please don't forget, write it down, okay? All right. Now, once you've done that, that'll get you to Clever. So go to your Clever account, go to Schoology, okay? This is for today, for Wednesday, for Friday, okay? We do not follow the virtual schedule that I gave you that's on Schoology until August 10th, next Monday, all right? We will have a Zoom class meeting tomorrow, Wednesday. We'll have one on Friday. I'll send those links out. Today, I will offer a couple of small group times when you can come in and ask questions. Like I offered one earlier on Tuesday, I'll offer one in the middle of the day and one at the end of the day. All right. But your job is to do two things today. Go to the live events. There's one of them at 9 o'clock. There is another one at 11:30. So they are on this sheet right here, the sheet that you can find at flyparsons.info, right? So if you go to flyparsons.info, and I'm going to do that right now, all right? So if you go www.flyparsons.info, like this, and then if you will click on the virtual learning button, and then over here, you will see there is first week, August 7th, SEL meetings. Click this document. When you click that, this comes up. You literally for 9 o'clock, you click on this linked community gathering middle. All right. Now, the 10 o'clock meeting for today, Tuesday, we do not know how to find this in Schoology. So unless they teach you how to do that at 9 o'clock, we're going to say no worries on that. Okay. At 11:30, there's a mindfulness middle school meeting. You can click on that. Okay. Those are the meetings you go to today. All right. We will Zoom tomorrow as a class. We will Zoom Friday as a class, but not that weekly virtual schedule that I showed you yesterday or Monday. All right. The remainder of today, tomorrow, and Friday, you're going to your Schoology courses. You have right here your Schoology courses. You're going to go to language arts, right? You're going to go to the week 1 folder. And inside there, you have 3 days of things to do. Today is day 1, tomorrow's day 2, Friday's day 3. You can work on them at whenever time you want, but that's the way it's set up, okay? For example, in day 1, you open it. You're going to read a poem. You're going to answer some questions. You're going to put a post on the group discussion board right here, right? All right. I'm going to look in math for day 1. Okay. Here is week of August 3rd. That's this week. Here's Tuesday, August 4th. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go to Flipgrid and introduce myself. On here, by the way, for Flipgrid, you're going to use your MGs Mail email. I'm going to talk about that really quickly in just a second. You're going to do this discussion board, which one doesn't belong, that somebody's already submitted. And you're going to do this drawing. about what a mathematician looks like. All right. Then in science and social studies, there's only one thing for the whole week in these two classes. And week 1, you're going to watch a brain pop video. You're going to create a drawing following the engineering design process of ask, research, imagine, plan, create, test, approve. And there's a handout about that. And then there's a social studies course activity to do as well. Okay. So that's that. Now, let's talk really quickly about MGs Mail. All right. You can also go to Typing Web and do your typing for this week. Let's talk, though, about MGs Mail. Okay. So MGs Mail is a Gmail, but it's a special school Gmail that's called MGs Mail. All right. So here's all you do. You go to gmail.com. Download the app on your iPad to log in, or if you don't have your iPad set up, you can just go to the internet and go gmail.com. All right, if I could spell it right, it would be great. All right. So then when you do that, you're going to put in your MGs Mail. See, mine's already logged in, okay? So you're going to log in your MGs Mail address. Now, let me show you your MGs Mail address. Okay, it's going to be Megs _ last name, first name, no space, at megsmail.org. Okay? It doesn't have to be capitalized, but it's Megs _ last name, first name at megsmail.org in that Gmail account. All right? Then it's going to be your Typing Web password. Okay? So that's what's going to log you in to your MGs Mail Google account. That's your Google account. All right. Okay. So when you do that, up here is going to be the little Meg symbol, and it's going to have your initials in the circle. Okay. Then over here, this is called the waffle. Looks like a tic-tac-toe board, but it's called the waffle. On the waffle, you have your Google Apps. Okay. Here's your mail. Here's Classroom. Okay. So most of you have already done this, but to go to your Google Classroom, you're going to click on the Classroom app right here. And that takes you into Parsons 2021 right here. Okay. And the code to do that is right here. It is, give me just a moment. The code is R3AM or E4 if you have not already done that. Most of you have already done that, though. Just giving you a quick reminder about that, okay? So again, you don't follow the Mr. Parsons synchronous teaching virtual schedule this week. That starts next Monday, that schedule that's on Schoology, all right? For live stuff this week, you follow this document that Metro sent out. You click on the links, but you do go to your Schoology course and go to math, to literacy, to science, to social studies, and do the activities that are in there. Remember, for Flipgrid, you're going to log in with Google with your MGs Mail email. All right. So I'll make another video as I think of things I need to tell you. So again, be sure you've watched this video, and I hope it helps. And I will talk to you in a Zoom class meeting on Wednesday. And I will have small group sessions for help if you need that too. All right. See ya.